Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do wall decoration. Let's get started. This is the wall before the decoration. Let's make frames first. For the frames we need two same size cardboards. So the size of the cardboards is up to you. You can take whatever the size you want to. Then make a mark on the one cardboard like this and cut it out. Then take a cotton lining cloth and attach it to the border like this. So the color of the cloth is as you wish. You can take whatever the color you want to, but just take the lining cloth of any color because it can stick well on the borders. So this is how it looks after covering up all the sides. Then attach two cardboards. Now take another cardboard and draw letters like this. And then cut them out. Paint them with your desired colors. Then arrange them on the one side of the frame like this. Then take some photos and arrange the photos in the frame. Use stick plaster to stick the frames on the wall. So we are done with the frames. I took 3 frames for the decoration. Now take every frame and stick them to the wall like this. This is how the wall looks. Then take wall stickers. I bought this wall sticker from Flipkart. I have given you some links in the descriptions. You can check it out. They will provide you a model on how to stick it so that you can stick it on the wall easily. They will give you the numberings according to the model. I don't prefer sticking them in the model they have given, so I'm sticking them randomly. Just peel off and stick it on the wall like this. So we are done with our wall decoration. Thanks for watching guys. See you on my next video.